How to make a woman choose you even if she has many options. So, for some of you guys, one of the things that bothers you is how to make a girl to choose you, even when this girl has other guys who are chasing her. Probably you've seen a beautiful girl and you want this girl to be all yours, even though this girl has so many other guys who want her. So, how can you achieve this? That is what this video is going to be all about. So, there are 4 things you have to do if you want this girl to be yours, even when she has these other guys. The first thing you must do is don't try to compete with her other options. Because this girl has other guys who are chasing her. You now start spending more. You now start giving her more attention. You now start working harder to get her to like you. The moment you start doing all those things, that girl will know that you are trying your best possible. You are putting out your best possible efforts to please her. And you don't want to give a woman that impression that you are trying to please her. Because once you do that, it reduces your value in her eyes. Because a woman knows that a guy who is high value will not be out here trying to impress me, trying to please me, will not be out here trying to chase me too much. Once you start doing all these things, that girl will know. So don't try to compete with her other options. Just be yourself. A girl that will like you will like you. If she doesn't like you, she go her way. There is no law that says if you don't get that girl that you will die. As long as you will not die, as long as you will not fall sick, as long as you will not lose money, if that girl doesn't accept to be with you, then it's a win-win situation for you. If she accepts you, it's a win situation. If she rejects you, it's a win situation. The second thing is you must never be desperate. Don't be desperate because you see that you like this girl too much. You start becoming desperate. You start calling her too much. You start trying to be in her space too much. Never show desperation. Nothing kills a woman's attraction and respect for you as much as desperation. That is that. The third thing you must do is make sure you are building a life every woman will want to be a part of. If you want to make yourself very attractive, very enticing to women, especially those women that have other men who are also chasing them, you must be a man who is building a life that every woman will want to be a part of. Now, what do I mean by building a life every woman wants to be part of? Basically, I mean you have many things going on for yourself. You have a job, you look good, you take care of yourself, you go to the gym, you are interesting as a person, you have hobbies, you have an apartment where you stay, probably you have a car. Basically, you are balanced in every area of your life. That is what I mean building a life that every woman wants to be part of. As long as you're a man who is on a mission, who has a purpose, who is working hard, every woman wants to be part of your life because no woman wants to be with a failure or a man who they know will fail. Whenever a woman comes into your life, she will start observing you. Does this guy have prospects in life? Does this guy have a bright future? Women always think of all these things because they know that as they have entered your life, their own success is now tied to your own success. Their own destiny is now tied to your own destiny. So they won't want to be with a guy who is going to be a failure in life. They're always calculative. So you must build a life that every woman would want to be a part of. Your life must be on a trajectory of success. If you are stagnated, if you are basically useless, if you are not doing anything with your life, no woman wants to be around you. Now, the fourth thing is you must be a man who is grounded in every area of his life. If you want women to always choose you, no matter the amount of options they have, you must be grounded in every area of your life, emotionally, physically, mentally. You must be a man who is in control of his emotions. Even if you're a rich guy, you have money. A woman can reject you simply because you don't control your emotions or because you're not confident. or because you're not a gentleman. So if you really want women to always find you very attractive, you must be grounded in every area of your life. Financially, you are there. Mentally sound, you are there. Disciplined, you are there. Emotionally in control of yourself, you are there. Confidence, you are there. Basically, you are an all-rounded man. You have a pass mark in every area of your life. Some men are rich, but they are dating, which is a problem. Some women will reject you because you are dating. Some men are handsome, but they lack confidence. Women can reject you because you lack confidence, even though you are handsome. So you must be well-rounded. You must be a man who is confident. You must be a man who is financially stable. You must be a man who is physically fit. You must be a man who is emotionally in control of himself. You must be a man who is mentally smart and sound. When you have all these areas of your life in check, which woman will not want to be around you? Majority of guys out there are lacking in most areas of their life. So if you are able to get yourself grounded and well equipped in every area of your own life, you go you will become among the 1% of men, which makes things easier for you when it comes to women. That's that.